Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Redragon NOTHOSAUR gaming mouse. As you can see, this is a gaming mouse, has 6 buttons on the picture itself and looks pretty premium, like looks very gaming inspired, and has a pretty neat Redragon logo right over here, which looks pretty cool. There are some features, but unfortunately a large sticker covers most of it, so we really don't know what's written here, but we can definitely make out that that you get a highest DPI of 3200 in this particular mouse. I'll show you right here. It's written in a different language, but it's pretty obvious what's written here. And there's some other features that's also listed, like on-the-fly DPI adjustment, backlight, 2 ergonomic thumb buttons, 5 million click durability, grip enhanced scroll wheel, and so on. Outside this, not much going on the box, so let's quickly open it up and see what's inside. So this is what you find inside the box. Let's quickly take a look at what these things are. This is a sticker, a Redragon sticker, very cool looking sticker. I really like it. Next we have this is the user manual for this, but for the mouse. It's a pretty thick user manual. A lot of instructions, lighting instructions, button instructions, etc, etc. I suggest you give it a read, at least go through it once before you install. Different languages supported, so the first one is in English, so it shouldn't take much long. So yeah, let's keep this here and let's take a look at the mouse. Okay, this is what the mouse looks like. Has a matte finish and textured grip right here, and fits pretty well actually. I mean, I can cover it with my entire hand, which is not bad. There are 6 buttons. The two of them on the side are also ergonomic and has textured fittings. There's a scroll button which is pretty thick, and this right here is your DPI button, the one that you press to change all your DPI settings. There is a pretty long braided cable. I'll show it in a while, but on the other end of the braided cable is this USB-A connector. I don't know if you can see this. Just hold for a sec. Yeah, there you go. This is your USB-A connector. Let's quickly take a look at the length of the cable. Generally for gaming mouse, your length is anywhere between 1.2 meters to 2.1 meter. So this should be around... It's pretty long actually. I'm assuming this is more than a meter. So this should be around 2 meters. I could be wrong, but there's no mention of the length of this particular cable. Well, yeah, but it's pretty long. You can use it anywhere as long as you're connected. And that's it. That's what you find inside the box containing the Redragon NOTHOSAUR wired gaming mouse. Thank you for watching.